Ever pondered the mysteries of the cosmos? We've always been intrigued by the enormity of the universe and its sparkling stars. But the most fascinating part, our very own solar system, a bustling hub of planets, moons, asteroids, and our radiant sun. Prepare for an exhilarating journey from our sun to Neptune as we uncover the secrets of our cosmic neighborhood. Our journey begins with the sun, the beating heart of our solar system. It's a colossal sphere of glowing gases, capable of fitting over a million Earths. The sun's surface, heated to a staggering 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, produces a nuclear fusion reaction that illuminates the sun. The sun is instrumental in providing light and warmth, supporting life on Earth, and maintaining the planetary orbits. It fuels photosynthesis, the process vital for breathable air. It is without a doubt the primary key to life. Without the sun, life as we know it wouldn't exist. As we embark on our journey away from the sun, we encounter the 4 terrestrial planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, each with its own hard, rocky surface. Mercury, smallest and to the sun, boasts a strong pull thanks to its iron composition. Venus, often dubbed Earth's evil twin, possesses a lethal atmosphere and scorching temperatures. We then reach Earth, our home and the only known inhabitant of life, largest among the rocky planets. Lastly, we find Mars, the red planet, known for its unique Martian dust, towering volcano, and deep canyon, each planet distinct yet sharing the same solar neighborhood. Beyond Mars, we encounter the gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn, the largest planets in our space vicinity. Jupiter, the biggest, can fit 11 Earths across its diameter, and is predominantly made up of hydrogen-helium, similar to the Sun. Hidden beneath its cloud, extreme pressure and temperature conditions make hydrogen act like a metal. Saturn, slightly smaller but still able to fit over 9 Earths across, is renowned for its glistening rings of swirling particles. Both planets are orbited by numerous moons, with Jupiter boasting 79 and Saturn leading with 82. These celestial giants, their diverse moons and distinctive features, offer a glimpse of the vast complexity of our solar system and the exciting mysteries of space. They remind us to keep exploring the incredible cosmos. Venturing deeper into space, we encounter the ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. Both are similar in size and composition, yet each possesses unique traits. Uranus, positioned 7th from the sun, has a light blue hue due to methane in its atmosphere. It's known for its tilted axis, resulting in lengthy seasons. Neptune, the final planet from Sun, exhibits a darker, more vibrant blue, courtesy of a higher methane concentration. It's recognized as the windiest planet in our solar system. Unlike gas giants Jupiter and Saturn, these ice have interiors composed of denser substances like water, ammonia, and methane ices, hence their classification as ice giants. Their distinct atmospheres, moons and rings further enhance their intrigue. Uranus has 27 known moons, Neptune has 14, with Triton, its largest moon, uniquely orbiting against its planet's spin. As the most distant planets, they reveal the chilling remoteness of space's outer edges. We've embarked on an incredible journey from the sweltering center of our solar system to the icy edges, encountering a myriad of unique celestial bodies. We started with Mercury, scaled through Venus and Earth, and ventured to Mars. We then marveled at the colossal gas giants Jupiter and Saturn before traversing the icy realms of Uranus and Neptune. Each planet, irrespective of size or temperature, dances elegantly around the sun, contributing to the cosmic ballet. But remember, is merely the beginning. The universe, vast and mysterious, is eagerly awaiting our exploration. So keep the spark of curiosity alive. Continue to explore and decipher the enigmas space holds. As we gaze at the night sky, we are gazing deep into the universe, testimony to our innate desire for discovery and knowledge.